So guys, first method, open which browser in this facing issue with the Deepseeker. Open this browser, then click to three dot, then click to history, then again click to history, then data, delete browsing data, then click to advanced, last select the all time. So can you can see this is browsing history, this is downloading history, this is cookie, other sites, cache, image files. Do not check like that. This is password save, which is your any website in the browser. So if you click and then click to data, delete data, so that means remove this password. So uncheck this, then click to data file, delete file, and then close. Then again open the browser, then you can see the Deepseek open, then click this URL. After that you can see this working start, and this is required for the sign in. Okay, thank you. So guys, first method, click to start, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is four command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also. You can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one, and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.